Switching between disconnected tools just to do your job? Is collaboration slowing you down instead of speeding things up? Struggling to find what you need right when you need it? Sharing sensitive files without full access control? Wasting time on repetitive tasks that could be automated? It's estimated that each employee loses a third of their time to these problems. The result? Massive losses in productivity and money. With Synergy, everything works together. Let's jump into the demo and see it in action. All your data and apps organized under one unified folder structure. We're now inside the SynergyOS application for Windows and Mac. It looks like a modern file explorer, but it packs every core app you need, built in by default. On the left, we have tabs for every app: Explorer, Files, Chats, Email, Calendar, Tasks, Notes, Collections, Directory, Activity, and Search. Explorer is the super app. The Explorer lets you see all your items: files, chats, emails, tasks, everything organized inside a single, unified folder structure. This is a fundamental difference between SynergyOS and every other platform. It simplifies your mental model and streamlines how you work. Now let's take a closer look at each app. This is Files, the classic file manager. It works exactly as you'd expect. Later, we'll explore advanced features like the built-in version control and real-time co-authoring, ready right out of the box. Next is Chats for real-time communication and notifications. You can chat with teammates or external guests. Conversations are also organized inside folders, so you keep every discussion in context. Next is Email. Connect your Microsoft inboxes and break free from fragmented, siloed inbox folders. Now, you can organize messages just like everything else, using the shared company folder structure. The Email app automatically shows if a message has already been saved by a team member, so there's no duplicate work. If not, it automatically suggests the best place to save it. Attachments can also be saved automatically by appending new files to existing ones, preserving full version history. Then we have the Calendar. Connect your Microsoft calendars and save calendar events to folders. All the information for a specific client or project stays perfectly organized. When new people join or leave the organization, the knowledge stays in place. Tasks allow you to organize work across the organization. Tasks also live inside folders. You can track work related to a specific client or project. You can assign work items to colleagues and track progress. Create subtasks to group-related work. Each task also has a dedicated chat, so conversations stay focused. The Notes app is where you can quickly capture information, meeting notes, ideas, or documentation. Notes offer rich formatting, metadata, and real-time collaboration. Notes live in the same folder structure, and you can also tag contacts and companies to track all activities in CRM workflows. Collections give you a quick overview of your special item types, like projects, matters, deals, or contracts. You can define these types according to your organization's needs, and each type supports custom metadata. Here I'm viewing all active projects in my demo company, sorted by stage in a pipeline. With one click, I can open a project, see its metadata, and instantly browse everything inside. That's the simplicity of a folder, but supercharged. The directory shows your organization's contacts and companies in a unified CRM-like system. Open a contact to see their details and all related items: emails, notes, files, everything. You're instantly ready to talk to someone with full context. The same applies to companies. You can tag folders with companies, and the system will suggest saving new items from that domain to the right place, fast and seamless. Here you can also see your internal users and create guest accounts to give external collaborators access to your repository. The Activity tab gives you a full audit trail of everything happening in your repository. Think of it as version history, centralized and smarter. We'll look at it in detail later. Finally, we have Search. It's a system-wide search engine to find anything instantly across all apps. We'll explore its full capabilities in an upcoming section. True collaboration with version control, co-authoring, and activity. With Synergy, you can open and edit files with your native desktop apps, just like local files. I open a Word document and it opens in Word Desktop app. By default, files open in single user mode and are automatically locked to avoid conflicts, and other users can see who is editing. I'll make my changes, save the file, and close it. The file is saved and updated in Synergy instantly as the current version. And here's where it gets powerful. I can save this as a version, so this set of changes is frozen in time. Versions can be minor, usually internal work, or major, usually shared externally. When I save a version, I can write a short message to describe what I changed, so the next time anyone comes back, they have the background on what was done. In the Explorer, you only see one file. There's no clutter. Synergy takes care of version history behind the scenes. On the sidebar, you can always access the full version history when you need it. From here, you can also compare versions, even without tracking changes active. Select the versions and you can instantly see what changed. No more guessing. It's all there, clearly tracked. When you receive files from external parties, usually via email, you can append those new files inside the version history, so everything stays organized. Here, we are doing it manually. But with our email app, you can make this process seamless. Our version control system also supports co-authoring scenarios. We're fully integrated with Microsoft Office, so you get real-time co-authoring in both Office Online and the desktop apps. Multiple people can work together on the same document at the same time, with changes synced live. Co-authoring isn't limited to Office files. We're also bringing it to other parts of the system, like notes and tasks, so teams can collaborate in real time across more types of content. And when the co-authoring session is done, you can save it as a version. Finally, we have the Activity app, a full history of everything that happens in Synergy. Here, you can see all commits, which are actions that modify items, like edits, uploads, version saves, or deletes. You can leave comments on any activity and also subscribe to notifications to receive a daily digest via email. No more chasing updates or asking around. In one view, you are always informed with complete record of everything, all tracked in one place. Instantly find anything across all your apps. SynergyOS has powerful search capabilities built for real work. Users love the instant folder search from the sidebar without having to manually navigate each folder. You can also search for items by file name with blazing speed. The most powerful use case is full-text search, when you need to search inside the content of your items. With Synergy, you can find everything fast and preview all results to quickly spot what you're looking for. You can also refine results using filters like item type, file extension, and many others. Finally, Synergy supports custom tagging and metadata for every item. All items can have company-defined tags and you can easily search by them. Items can also have custom metadata fields, so you can even go deeper and search inside those fields. Search that actually works the way you expect. Work with anyone, securely and with full access control. SynergyOS has a comprehensive permission system that lets you work with anyone securely with full access control. Permissions are primarily based on folders. Folder permissions can be cascade or non-cascade. Cascade permissions are inherited by all subfolders recursively. Non-cascade permissions apply only to the specific folder where they're set. You can also view inherited permissions to see exactly where access is coming from, whether it's set at the top-level folder or deeper down. When assigning permissions, you also choose the user role, so you can control who can edit, view, or share with precision. By default, all items inherit permissions from their parent folder, but SynergyOS also supports item-level permissions, allowing more granular control. For example, you might have a chat inside a folder and restrict access to only participants in that chat. Everyone with access to the folder can see that the chat exists, but only participants can read the messages inside. This gives you the flexibility to collaborate openly without losing control over sensitive content. Automate work with artificial intelligence and limitless integrations. SynergyOS, it's designed to be extended. AI models can be used for powerful automations. You can ask questions in a chat with artificial intelligence models, generate summaries, or extract metadata from files, emails, and notes. Synergy comes with all the core applications for work built in, but it also makes it easy for your company to create custom applications tailored to your needs. We're also building a public app center where developers can publish apps built on Synergy. This creates a shared ecosystem where companies and developers build on top of one powerful foundation instead of starting from scratch. SynergyOS gives your team a complete platform to work more productively and securely. All your data and apps under a unified folder structure. True collaboration with version control and co-authoring. Powerful search and metadata. A secure permission system. Artificial intelligence automations and app integrations. Now, your entire organization stays aligned, works more efficiently, and scales with a system that grows with you.